how to see all tasks assigned to you in Monday.com. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video because it's simply super easy to do. Now over here, I am in the main homepage of Monday.com. Now I'm going to click on work management. So I have two sort of like boards here with like a couple of tasks. Here you can see 3 of them, and here you can also see 3 of them. Now, let's say you are in like 10 different boards and you want to see all the tasks that are assigned to you. Then what you want to do is simply click on my work. And here you can see the items or tasks, that are past dates due to today, this week, next week, later, without a date. Now that is pretty nice and really cool, right? But notice that I only see 3 tasks. And if you see over here, I have 3 tasks. And over here, I also have 3 tasks. Now, where are these? Because I only see these when I go to my work, right? Now, that is because these tasks are actually assigned to me, as you can see. And these aren't. Now, I can, of course, manually assign these to myself. Then they also should show up here. So after a little bit, they actually loaded up. I was a bit worried why they weren't. But yeah, they are here now, as you can see. So it would be a little bit annoying if you were to have to add yourself as a person to your task manually each time. So in order to actually do that automatically, it is actually super easy to do. All you want to do is go to the board where you want it to do that. Then click on the 3 dots at the top right corner, go to board settings, then go to item default values. Now here you can see person. So then you can see yourself over here and then save changes. And now if I add multiple different tasks, then you can see that after a couple of seconds, it will automatically assign myself to these tasks. So then I can add a date, just like this. And then after a little bit, they should show up here. As you can see, the others are now removed because I deleted them. So then after a little while, it should look like this. As you can see, these tasks are now also in here. So that's great. I hope this quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did. And then I will see you in the next one. Have a good day.